Hello guys, welcome to my craft kitchen. Today I'll be sharing a fun little project that I made using American Crafts wildflower paper collection. This is a mini album and I have made this for my sister. So as she travels a lot, so I thought why not make a mini album for her. So on the cover here I have layered some cut aparts from the paper collection, like this one. I made a tag out of it and I just fuzzy cut some butterflies from the collection and bagged them with a heavy cardstock. This is also from the collection, and I made a envelope here, and inside this I have a tag so she can maybe put her name or the place where she has visited and all. This is some paper string and cord right here and paper clip. So that's the front, and yeah, there is a ribbon, and the spine is plain, so the album lays flat, and this is the back. I made the closure of this album using the same ribbon I used here. So let's open it. This is the first page, and here I made a small pocket. Inside is a 4x6 cut apart from the collection, Come Away With Me, and I made a booklet out of it so she can put her pictures in here. And this goes up, so there's space for photos again, and this both sides are open, so she can put the picture inside this like this. And here is a large tag right there, so this will fit 4x6 pictures and the pictures can slide inside, so that's there. Now on this page I've made a belly band, and this was also from the collection. It says, "Oh darling, let's go be adventurous," and here is a small tag, and again I made a booklet for some pictures or journaling. I love this ombre effect in this paper. There were 2-3 colors with this effect, and that was super fun to use. So every page has a pocket, side pocket, so I have not made the insert for this as I was actually waiting for my little cardstocks to come away. And so on this page again I have a magnetic closure, and this side goes like this, and this one's here, and inside are small tags. So this album was very easy to put together. And on this page again I have made a pocket here, and inside is a tag, and I made a little cut there to fit this tag inside, and this closes up with this paper clip. So this is a fold out, so she can fit more pictures there. On the next page I have made a pocket, and it closes up with the magnet. So this opens like this, and inside is a booklet 4x6 cut apart, and she can put more pictures inside this pocket. It's really a big pocket, and here it says thank you, and this is left open so she can slide a picture here also if she likes to, which she will obviously, I know. let's go here. So there is a pocket here, and inside is a tag, and again a 4x6 cut apart. It opens to the right, and here is a large space for large picture, and this is open like so she can put the picture like this. And this is a photo mat, again plain on the back, and this was also a cut apart from the collection. So I made a pocket here. If she wants, she can put a picture here also. So going to the next page, this is a double flap page. So this flaps opens up and there's spot for pictures, and inside is a pocket and a cut apart. I made a booklet out of it, and so this keeps this flap closed. So when you take out this one, the flaps open, and there's again some more room for pictures. So on this page, I have made a ribbon closure, and it opens up and down again for more pictures, and it is also a pocket and holds this tag. So on the next page there is a pocket, inside is a cut apart. You are my sun, my moon, and all my stars. And I made a booklet out of it also, and there's a photo mat here. So moving to the next, here I have a triangular pocket here, and inside is 2 tags, and there's a bigger pocket there, and there is also a photo mat here. So going to the next page, it opens to the right and this opens to the left, so she can put smaller pictures here and a big one there, and she can also journal over here if she likes. So here I made a small belly band, and there is a tag inside, and this tag keep this flap closed, so it goes up like so, and a picture can slide here like this. So that's that, and it opens to the right again, and there's a room for big picture and a side pocket with these 2 little photo mats. This is a booklet. So on the next page, I've made 2 side flap pockets, and inside are this tags. So they open up like this, and there's more room for pictures. And on the last page I made a belly band, and inside is a booklet. So it opens with this ribbon, and it's a trifold photo mat, you can call this. So that's it. That was my new mini album. Hope you all enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Bye bye.